Pero bilang isang karamihan sa inyo, ama kayo ng pamilya, padre de pamilya, you're the breadwinner, do not get affected by what's happening in a sense that while the whole world is worried about gas, worried about commodities price, etc., pansinin nyo, pero don't fall into a victim mindset. Huwag niyong awayin yung gobyerno na kasalanan mo to, whoever. Kasi if you fall into that trap, nagsishift yung utak mo na maging complacent. Kasi problema ni gobyerno yung gas mo eh. Di ba? As a community of Coach Miranda, ang gusto kong ituro sa inyo yung mindset of accountability. But at the same time, change yung growth mindset mo din. Pairalin din natin yun. Na yes, magulo ang Pilipinas, pero it would not fix what you put on your plate. So kapag dumarating kayo sa panahon na medyo natotoxican na kayo sa nakikita nyo, and it's becoming something that affects your mindset and decision making, then reboot. Reboot kayo. May tinatawag tayong entertainment fatigue. Yung puro ka entertainment, mukha ng entertainment yung decisions mo, stop.